Improving PPE compliance on construction projects. A guide. Have you ever wondered how to keep construction sites safe while ensuring everyone uses personal protective equipment correctly? Let's talk about improving compliance with personal protective equipment on construction projects. First, it is essential to have a clear personal protective equipment program. This program should outline which equipment is necessary for specific tasks and hazards on the site. For example, hard hats, safety goggles, gloves, and steel-toed boots should be included based on the risks present. Training is a key part of this program. All workers need to understand how to select the right personal protective equipment for their tasks. They should also learn how to wear and adjust it properly. Regular training sessions should be held to keep safety fresh in everyone's mind. Making personal protective equipment use mandatory is vital. Everyone on the site must wear it, and supervisors should monitor compliance closely. If someone is not wearing their gear, it is crucial to address it immediately. Daily inspections of personal protective equipment before shifts can help identify any worn or damaged items that need replacing. Communication is another important factor. Daily safety briefings or toolbox talks can remind workers about personal protective equipment requirements. These meetings also allow workers to voice any concerns or ask questions about their safety gear. Creating a culture that prioritizes safety will encourage workers to take personal protective equipment seriously. When workers see management committed to safety, they are more likely to follow suit. Recognizing or rewarding consistent personal protective equipment use can also reinforce positive behavior. For construction specifically, fall protection equipment is vital. This includes full-body harnesses, lanyards, and lifelines for anyone working at heights above 6 feet. These devices must be inspected before each use and anchored to stable points that meet occupational safety and health administration standards. Training on fall protection gear is essential since falls are a leading cause of fatalities in construction. To improve compliance, consider these practical steps. Conduct a detailed risk assessment to identify hazards and the necessary personal protective equipment for each task. Develop and update a site-specific safety plan that includes personal protective equipment use. Provide high-quality, well-fitting gear that workers find comfortable. Hold regular training sessions on personal protective equipment use, hazard recognition, and emergency procedures. Frequent site inspections are also necessary to ensure personal protective equipment is worn and maintained properly. Encourage open communication about safety and personal protective equipment concerns. Consistently enforce rules and address violations promptly. Visual reminders like signs and posters can help reinforce personal protective equipment requirements. By integrating these practices into site operations, construction workers can protect themselves better, reduce injuries, and contribute to a safer work environment. This commitment to safety supports a successful career in construction.